Welcome back to my vlog. I am actually going to show you something that is an awesome luxury for all of us, which is called food. I'm a very big foodie. I'm a Punjabi, I'm a Sikh, so that's why I definitely connect with the food. I am going to make aloo tikki today, but this aloo tikki is probably, some of you might know the recipe, some of you might not know the recipe, but it's very easy to follow it. It does not has too much of potatoes in it, which is aloo means potato, and we're gonna dig into it and start it. Let's start. Now, first thing first, I'm going to, of course, put a beret in my hair and tuck them back, nice and easy. The only thing I have so far is the green chili. If you are an American and you're following this recipe, you can take any type of chili. You can take shiitake peppers, you can take Thai chili or anything. I'm so proud of this much produce of the bountiful from my garden. This little bit of a cilantro, a very small pepper, oopsie, a very small pepper, and the beans. So I'm going to put them. I understand that potatoes are carbs, right? But we are going to make this recipe with a lot of veggies in it. So let's start it. This is the broccoli. Because my potatoes are quite hot and they are just out from at the boiling temperature, मैं broccoli वगैरह कुछ भी पका नहीं रही. I'm not cooking the broccoli, okay? So let's start with the broccoli. We have green chilies, more broccoli. This is going to have so much yummy veggies in each bite that you're not going to even notice it. If your kids don't like the veggies, this is a very good way to incorporate veggies. So let's start. This is the broccoli. We have the green pepper. Next is the dhania, cilantro. Try to make as small cuts as possible, okay? Because some people like cilantro in their the burger buns, or some don't. In an Indian way, this is more like the patty, like the chicken patty. This is more like an Indian potato patty, but I'm making it more with the veggies. So, and ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਭੈਣਾਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਪਤਾ ਹੀ ਹੈਗਾ ਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ, right? So now ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਬਗਾਨ ਦੀਆਂ ਫਲੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਪਾ ਦਾਂਗੇ. ਚਲੋ ਚੱਕ ਦੋ ਫਟੇ. Now this is the green spring green onion, again from my garden. I'm going to incorporate that too. I don't care with the veggies. When I was doing my residency, my medical residency, one thing I really loved was the black bean burgers. Oh my god, I would crave for those when they would be in the cafeteria. I would go be first in the line in the lunchtime as a resident and go and grab those. Memories of residency, right? They always stay with you. Now choti pepper, very small, again from my garden. I have already washed these veggies, so don't judge me about that, okay? Now this is the big bowl where we're gonna all put these in. Okay. Now into this goes my potatoes. I don't flavor my patties with any different kinds of masala except only two things: salt and red pepper. That's it. That's all you need. Don't make it chaat wale ਜਿਹੜੇ ਖੜੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਸਾਈਡ ਤੇ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਦੇ ਮਸਾਲੇ ਪਾਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ. Just keep it simple. You don't need to flavor it. I'm putting more broccoli. I love the taste of veggies. ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਵੈਜੀਜ਼ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਸੰਦ ਹੈਗੀ ਉਹ ਪਾ ਲਓ, ਚੱਕਰ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੋਈ. Okay. What I am going to do is I am going to stock them up and I can freeze them, okay? So more broccoli and we're going to have peas. And I have corns here, so I'm putting corns. Okay. Now you can see I have gajar, the carrot. These are baby carrot. These were the only ones that I have available. If you have the bigger carrots, you can definitely do that. What I did was I just simply boil them, and that's how I actually got them ready to go into. Carrot is the only thing probably you might want to get that guy. And I am trying to mix as much as I can. I have so far put only 2 potatoes in it. You want to stuff more with the carb, do as you like, okay? Now, gajar. I'm gonna just see and feel the consistency, how much this is boiled. I think this can be easily mashed. Okay. More gajar. More gajar. More gajar. I'm leaving 2 because मेरे को है एक छोटा सा बच्चा जरा बार-बार आ रहा है. Okay. Now, this is going to be the tikkis for these buns. But I'm not making everything ready. All I'm doing is just making this tikki. Now, the only thing I am doing is little bit of a pepper, red paprika. Do it as much as you have a taste. Little bit of a salt. Noor पा दो. माड़े जे थोड़ा जा ना तेज वाली साइड रखियो क्योंकि वो आलू आंदे करके ना फिक्का हो जाता. So just keep it. What I just said was keep it a little bit on the toward the side, on the higher side, because of the potatoes, it's gonna just soak in that salt. So just mildly, not too much. Okay, I've been cooking for so many years that now I have already the experience of how much is too much and how much is less. Okay, I think I still need one more or half of a potato. So now our batter is ready. थोड़ा जा मैं होनूर पाया, just added a little bit of a salt. After adding that half a bit of more potato, I just give it a nice, mash, even with the hand. Now, what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna use the oil. Okay, now I am going to have a little bit of an oil on this glove that is going to carry the patty more. And we're gonna start making the shapes of this. Now, as I told you, I am going to keep them in the frozen section till tomorrow, and then once you have your party ready, you can bring them out and you can fry them, air fry them, whatever you like. Okay, so look how beautiful they are. They're so colorful. The research say more colorful vegetables you eat, more better it is for your colon health. So another trick that I want to show you is, if you have a cottage cheese at home or the Indian paneer, grate it and you can put that. If you like the middle of it to be a little bit more, flavorful, you can put raisin. मैं कई बार ना इधे विच अपना सौगी पा देनी होनी है, especially when they were guests, and look how our mommies have trained us. बढ़िया वाली चीज़ें गेस्टां नूं खिलाओ, आप भी खानी चाहिए, right? But I think वो times चंगा सी, because अपनी जिहड़ी मम्मियां सी ना, उन्होंने विचारी ने घट दे नाल ही सार लिया. Okay, so अपनी हो गई ने टिक्कियां ready. Now, as I told you, you guys can freeze it. What I mainly do is I take an airtight container. Typically, I have all the airtight glass containers, and मैं ओदे विच इन्हां नूं you can put like a tissue paper in between, or you can put like the foil in between, and you can section them up, and जो तुसी fry करनी है, you can just bring them out and do that. I hope all of you would have enjoyed watching this video, and I will continue to bring more food videos and other videos in front of you. Please definitely like and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching and staying tuned in. Bye.